Welcome everyone to HFN, also known as HueFin News. Today is April the 14th, 2021. We're here to give you all the price prediction update in the market for, you guessed it, Palantir. Before I break all of that down, as always, we're here to make sure that we're in position to capitalize on where the price is going to go so that we can win. This is literally the only way that you're going to be able to profit into the market and also maintain profitability. So if today is your first time ever viewing our content, you appreciate how simple our price chart looks, how we're giving you all the heads up as to where we're expecting price to go. Then before you leave, hit the like button, share video, and also subscribe. Make sure you come back, tap that bell notification because you don't want to miss out on any other forecast price movement that we are seeing from the trap's perspective. Now, the trap is the one who controls the price. It's plain and simple. You have a coordinator who is involved in these markets to make sure that they bring the buyers and the sellers together to do that, create a market. Without him or her, the market cannot be a fluid and efficient space to conduct trades. It's just that simple. So every price bar that you see, every volume bar that you see is literally the footprints of his work, of what he's done to make sure that he is efficient at his job of creating a market. Right, so you guys can see in Palantir, we did a price prediction back in the market right there on March the 25th, expecting the price to go higher, and it definitely did that. 6.5%. If you're still in the market today in Palantir, I mean, it'd be about 13% to get out the market on that prediction that we garnered. Right, so that was that. That time is over. Time for us to get in position to capitalize on the next movement that we're expecting to see in Palantir. So first thing first, going forward, let's not make this complicated or difficult. This area right here is support. Okay, the market has found that area as sufficient to prop itself up. We've seen this occur numerous times in Palantir. So that's the base. Any price in or around that area would have been a fantastic area to come in and purchase some shares. Right there, around $22. Market is around 25 right now. So literally we got that established. So I'm gonna keep that line there, right? That $22, a little bit lower than that, is where the market support is in Palantir. Now we need to determine where is market restriction, because I'm actually seeing like two areas of restriction. This area here is the shallow one first. Okay, I'm seeing this area as a shallow area of restriction in the market in Palantir. Okay, $27.20. This is the bigger area of restriction right here though. Okay, that's the bigger area. So we could find a midpoint of restriction, see more sellers come into the market around $27, $27.25. See another bout of selling, market comes back down only to test where we are at right now as support, and then we'll see the market go back up to around $30 at a later date, right? So we're going to hold these two lines here. This is the efficient area to which the market in Palantir is holding its own weight. And currently, looking at this on a 3-day time frame, I'm still seeing strength there. 2-day time frame strength here. So I'm not really expecting the market in Palantir to drop in price. It still has legs to continue to grow and move high in price. Like I told you, the only issue that we have to answer and figure out is how high do you think the market's going to go right before we see the next bout of selling to try to push back down the market. And I'm seeing around $27.10, right? Maybe even around like 28. That would be the first area to which I will be expecting to see the market in Palantir try to drop in price. But overall, I mean, the market is still healthy to see high in price movement, especially right here on the 3-week time frame. Got 2 days and 10 hours left. I'm definitely paying attention to the market right here in Palantir on the 3-week time frame. This could be a good option play into the market in Palantir right there. Okay. Right here on the monthly time frame, we still have 16 days, 10 hours left. Nothing too much to really talk about here on the monthly time frame. Just pretty much expect the market in Palantir to continue to give us this sideways trading action, which literally lets me know already that the market is building its It's energy for the next cause, for the next movement. All right, so let's do this real quick. I'm zooming in on the hourly time frame because I'm trying to gauge to where the market restriction can be at, and it's right there around $27. So when we do our price prediction, we need to keep that in mind. That $27 is the next location to where we would expect the market to try to drop in price. But overall, back up here towards $29.25 to $30 is where we can ultimately see the market in Palantir go. All right, so let's drop this down real quick. Let's go ahead and do this. Okay. So we said we'll come in and TP out the market a little bit of profit right there around 27, which would give us about 6.13% profitability. But for the long term, I'm going to bring it up here towards 28, almost $29 for the ultimate area of restriction for Palantir. Okay. So this is what we're seeing. I don't see too much in terms of a lot of volatility coming to the market in Palantir. I mean, you guys can literally tell from the price chart that the trap has been consolidating the market pretty much ever since it's been listed, right? We broke this trend right here, which takes this out the way into the market in Palantir. I mean, we broke many trends into the market in Palantir, especially this one. This was the overall trend here in Palantir. So yeah, we're not in a massive bullish trend in Palantir right now. No, we're not. So taking that out the way, the next option we have on the table is for either the market continue to consolidate or we continue to drop in price. And right now, based off all the price action that you see here on the daily time frame, we're consolidating. So that's pretty much what we're getting into the market. That's the environment. The market is stable. It's not giving us a lot of urgency, volatility to where the market is going to move dramatically over the next couple of days. We're pretty much seeing this just do this, what you guys got on this price chart right here. So this is it. This is our updated price prediction to the market in Palantir. Still going to pay some strength. We have our two TP prices already mentioned. First area is around $27. The other one is right there around 29. And now we'll just sit back and let the trap work. We're already in position right before anyone else gets there. We are actually getting the competitive advantage right before anyone else understands what even happened into the market in Palantir. Questions, comments, let us know. As always, call the market right alongside with us. Drop your comment in the comment section and tell me where do y'all expect the price to be in Palantir over the next 3 weeks. That's it. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.